Hey y'all, I am doing a mukbang try not to laugh challenge. I don't know what the title of this video is gonna be, but I got me and my sis here, and we got some hibachi, and we got some loaded teas, and we have a try not to laugh compilation. This was made a few days ago, so hopefully it's some newer clips. I hope I haven't seen all these, but
I probably ain't seen none of them, so true reaction. So
it's about 14 minutes, and we're gonna try not to laugh and spit food everywhere.
And
You got something else to say?
yes, I do. Go to my channel, information in bio. Let's hit it, sis. Hit it, sis. Oh,
Don't laugh.
it's gonna be one of the. Oh shoot.
Don't laugh.
Oh, put some in your mouth and hold it, just like
I want to eat.
A wilding out.
I want to eat. You can do that. You just swallowed it. You need it bigger than that. You need a bit swallow. You need a bit swallow.
It's sour.
Go get some of the other one. Duh. You need a bit swallow. Why I gotta keep... She never did this before. Come on. You want mine? It's less sour. Alright, y'all.
Show me how to get the girl. Hey, attention, watch this.
Jerome?
Yeah, I'm Jerome, yeah, nothing.
$1,600?
You got it. Hey, can you help my mom with the groceries?
I'm gonna do more than just help her. I'm gonna...
What? Hello? Who's there?
The haters have something new to ride this year. Coming in 2016, this day.
I love those lines where you can't tell where they start and where they end. I love those lines where you can't tell where... Ah! Did I get you? Shut your freaking mouth! And an extra large pizza?
Hold on, guys. I'm getting a call. I'm pregnant. The number you are trying to dial is currently unavailable.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dude, let's go.
I'm not going.
Why?
Look.
I don't see anything.
How do you not see it?
Please just try and focus this time, okay?
Okay. Our Father,
Our daddy.
leave. Go ahead. Now.
Okay, my favorite holiday is Christmas. What about you? Oh, The Purge.
Damn, what's up, baby?
You can't handle my dick anyways. You can't handle my...
That was so funny, you guys.
Mom, kids are drinking beer. I need you to come pick me up.
The hell?
It's not what it looks like. Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
Me.
I got this, okay? You know why I pulled you over? No, officer.
Probably because we black.
Babe, can you give me a water?
Sure.
They would be the very best.
Oh,
like
shoot.
no one ever was. At overcoming social anxiety. Yeah. Oh my.
Hey, babe, I'm not wearing a bra. Oh, I like this game. Okay. Well, I'm not wearing a hat. Hey, man, I want you to meet somebody. Oh, who? Adele. That's not even Adele can be.
Me, Adele. I'm trapped in this hole.
Oh, she's...
Actually, I'm not white. I'm Chardonnay. Okay. Okay.
I can't wait for night, dude. Gonna pound so much puss, dude. So much puss. Pussy.
Coach wrote off lying. I'm teaching my kids how to communicate.
I tried to hold it right here.
Anyways.
Do you want to make out? No. Me neither. I want to go to sleep.
Me.
There was a sound on Couch, one fucking show, dude.
No, not again. Where are you going? I got 2 kids. Watch me. 2 kings. 7 aces. Both. Man, why are you so good at this game?
Yo, you better, right? Come on, go.
You can't bring liquids on plates.
I'm a sophomore.
Isn't the view beautiful?
Yeah, it's.
Dang.
Oh my god, isn't it so beautiful?
Yeah. I guess I'll see you around. You know what I mean? I don't know. What do you mean?
Who's this bitch?
Choose wisely.
Hey babe, I'm going out tonight. You sure you want to go out tonight, babe?
Yes, I'm still going out. Put some clothes on.
Oh shit! I'm so sorry. Why? Why?
It's my money and I need it now.
My money, and I need it now.
Oh, big good at.
That moment when you look like a kid from High School Musical. Yeah, okay. Crap.
Right, Gary, you're good to go. You dick.
Coming this fall. Me in your mom.
Okay, that's it.
You know, a lot of people have been asking me how to stay so healthy lately, and it's really to stick to an awesome diet plan.
Oh my god, dude, is that wind? Yeah, I guess. It's gonna be chilly out. I mean, it's still like 70. I'll grab my flannel. Okay. Flannel season. I bet I can hold my breath longer than you.
I'm not about to play. What are you doing? Oh, no. You win, bro.
No, Tess, you got that.
See, when other people laugh, it make me laugh.
Look inside. Jesus? Yo, you on the list? It's me, Nick. The Nick that owe me 50 cents? Yeah, nah, ain't no space. My mom was like, clean your freaking room. Bitch, this is my room. I live in it. You worry about your own mouth. I hate when people rush me to get ready in the morning. I just be like, I ain't trying to look like a sexy cheeseburger chocolate baby daddy today. Now leave me alone.
Chop, chop, chop. Happy birthday to you. Chop, chop.
Welcome to Jerome's, home of the best burgers. What would you like?
Do you serve hot dogs? Did someone ask you to homecoming?
Hi, my name is Richard. I am 33 years old, and this is the only thing that brings me excitement and joy in my life.
Man, I got a good jump. You want it? Yeah.
You go by
You.
Psycho?
Being really strong, like totally aware of the air, and it's been so funky right now. Are you holding back a yawn?
Hey, David, be fast. Hey, who there? Big fat.
We're out of milk. Okay, I'll make some more. You'll make some? I always make the milk.
My roommate's a cow?
I can't believe that I get to marry my best friend.
I can? What, you gonna marry your worst enemy? Have katana battles in the laundry room for date night? Gee.
This city must die before it is reborn.
Q.
Q?
Oh wait, you gotta take off your shoes. I ain't wearing socks. Wes, take off your shoes.
Yeah,
Take off your shoes.
I'm doing it.
now.
I'm doing it right now.
Introducing our new car to
See,
by
I can't.
But
I'll be fine.
where are the
Look,
wheels?
I hear any more laughter.
Honestly, and I don't say this to everybody, but you're like my best friend.
Oh, thank you.
Tonight. I wish it was yesterday because those notes.
Sir, you need to give me a ring. Phil, I can't do My mom said you have to. Your mom said to give... Okay,
You gave Timmy a shot? Relax, it's just root beer.
There's a unicorn eating crayons in my room.
It is so annoying when my headphones get tangled.
Okay, well, at least you got something to tangle. I ain't even got no headphones because I lost them the day they came in.
Hey, dog, you want a ball?
Is that a new iPhone? No, it's not. How do you like your feelings being played with?
Hey, home. You see this shit right here? You see this right here? I'm packing. I've been a vegetarian for 3 days, and this is triggering me. I'm gonna go home and eat one from KFC.
Yo, you guys ready to head out? Look at this dude. Look at his lips.
Too late.
Let it flow. Let it flow.
I'm not.
Do you want to take our relationship to the next level? Yes, but I have to warn you, I'm a bitch in the boardroom and a football player in the bedroom.
Yo, I'm here with the weekday, right before the weekend. Hey, say what's up.
Anyone know what we're supposed to do today?
Yeah, we're supposed to do free time.
Free time?
Yeah, get into groups and stuff, yeah. Yo, mama. Oh my god, I am so sorry. Did you like your treat? Of course you did. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Did you just assume?
How you
doing? Hey, Bobby. Yes, Mom? I want you to put...
Yeah, well, I'm going to get it now.
Mm-hmm. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth, huh?
Some drink.
Huh? Let me smell your breath. Wow.
So I think I dropped one. It wasn't over there.
The owner of the lime green Honda, please come to the front desk. Are my lights on? No, I just wanted to see what you looked like, dude. Your car's fucking ugly.
Hey guys, today we're watching the liberal propaganda film about an illegal gay Muslim. It's called AandB.
Where should we put this trash? Right over there with the people who pretend to misspell things so it looks like they freaked out on the keyboard, but it's spelled just correctly. And
It's just been really hard since we broke up.
yeah, man, she was awesome. You really screwed that one up.
Hey, I accidentally got your mail again, so here you brought me my mail? Yeah. Do you want to go on a date? No!
Is there something you want to tell me? What do you mean? I don't know. Like I met Hitler and didn't tell you? I have no idea what you...
Hey Bill, I farted.
Oh, brother.
You calling me bro? No, oh Lord.
Yes, my son.
I didn't call.
What did you do today? Standing Madam Zeroni.
Me.
Helped an old woman.
Having a hand and let's get it. Get it. A second thought, can I have a cookie? Hello, 911.
Hello, please help. I'm broke.
Okay, sir, what did you break?
My
Dang it.
bitch, I ain't got nothing.
Hey, I'm getting a text. What's wrong?
What things do I gotta do today? There's an essay you gotta do. Organize the house. You got a lot of laundry. Place lots of dirty things. Okay, what are you doing? Just choose one of us.
Okay, have you seen my hamster anywhere? I think it got out the cage.
Are you talking about the one that was on that desk?
Yeah, did you see?
I ate it, bro. My bad. I didn't know it was yours. I get you in the...
Hey, it don't matter.
Damn. He really about to rock my shit.
I had half a bottle of Burnett's and then a watermelon for a loco. The thought of that gave me chest pain.
Good night, Dad. I love you. No homo.
I love you too, no homo, and God loves you as well, no homo. But do you know who he hates?
Well, my mom packed me a good lunch today.
Ooh, can I have some?
No!
Yes.
Well, sweetie, I think it's time to relax the class now. That's all.
Let me drive. No. Why not? You get an accident. What? Name one time. How about the time you drove off a cliff? Oh, wow. You're going to name the one time. Hey, I like your nose ring.
This is a mole.
That would explain why it's brown. I'm going to go.
I got your nose. I got your... What? What have you done? Where's this nostrils?
I'm just talking to my friend Finn. He's on TV, so... What's up, dude?
Never say that I'm your friend, because I'm not. You're just stealing my image.
Oh my gosh.
Farmer's market we're at. Hello, ma'am. They have some dragon fruit.
And those are some llamas.
Thanks, Chester.
Okay, class, come on, say your names.
Let it go.
I don't know why. AandB.
Yo, Margaret's looking good, man. Yeah, I'm trying to get on her knees if you know what I'm saving. Heaven, yeah, man. Heaven, yeah.
Me and her.
Oh my god, you fitting a smash? Oh my god, no. Who didn't let me finish? The patriarchy, I'm a feminist.
Oh, those are for 2 to 4.
Election.
Trump.
Hillary. Feel the burn.
In my vagina. Guys, I have her.
Dude, my dog's like my best friend.
Get away from the dog. Sweetie, you should be a princess for Halloween. I was thinking about being Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn? Well, you're stupid for that.
Hey guys, I'm looking for Toothless. He's a dragon. Oh, is that Seth Rogen?
Let us know where you broke at.
I tried, y'all.
It wasn't crazy hilarious, but some of the dry jokes made you laugh at how dry they were.
Mm-hmm. And then it's like, especially the ones you ain't seen, like half of those we saw before.
I've seen a few of them.
Mm-hmm. But some of them were really funny. Because it catch you off guard because you never know what you gonna see next. So.
Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all. I'll see you later.
Oh, bye.